Hello， 大家好，我是 Eric， 你好 ，Welcome to my channel. Welcome back here again in this Forex Trading Plan 2021 November 22. Right. So yes, we are heading now in the fresh new week. Okay. So I hope everyone has enjoyed your weekend. All right. So in this Forex Trading Plan 2021 November 22nd, okay, we are going to filter out the plans, okay, the trades, the currency pairs that we are going to focus, and as well zoom into the currency pair that we are going to focus, which are the points that we are going to take note, as well as also to make sure we will have a plan before we take action into any trades. All right. Okay. So yeah. That's right. Give me the MT4, please. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, we're actually right now on the Vantage Malaysia page, Facebook page. All right. So as you can see, there's plenty of changes. All right. A new look. All right. So we are having a lot of improvements for our clients out there. So remember to click on the link. All right. So when you click on the link, we have some arrangement for you. All right. You click on the link in the details. All right. So that we can contact you for the some of the benefits for you as well. All right. So over here. And right now, okay, quickly without any delay, we have to understand that any investment comes with risk, am I right? So we have to take note of the risk involved and make sure we manage well on our lot size. All right, so Aussie Cat, okay, yeah. Hi everyone, all right, hi CK and Bradley, hi Hubert, Flora, Roger. All right, it's nice to see all of you here. Mika, thank you for coming in. Thank you. All right, so yes, what we are going to take note today. Okay, this week is going to be a week that it's not a tough week, but it's the end of the November, the last week of November. So please take note of the last week of the month. Okay, when we are doing the trading. All right, so make sure we are very careful with our decision. All right. Okay, I'm going to conduct this session in English and also Mandarin. All right, so please be patient. Okay, with your languages over here. All right. 好了，那么在这里的话呢，就要让大家知道啊，都是这个交易都是有风险的嘛，对不对？这个交易有风险的话，那么手数量就要注意了哈。OK， 好不好？那么这个星期是11月的最后一个星期了。那么11月最后一个星期呢，在这一段里面呢，大家都得要注意一下哈 ，OK， 在进场之前呢，都要特别的小心 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right, so yes, thank you so much for sharing out， 谢谢大家 ，Thank you very much. Okay, so pay attention to what I'm going to say. All right. So those who are buyers, you can also take note. Sellers also can take note where we are looking out for to enter a trade. All right. Okay, so. Yeah, that's right. I have chosen the Vantage as my exclusive broker over here. All right. So any information, you can go to Vantage Malaysia page. All right. To click on the link and you can find out more from there. All right. If not, alternatively, you can go to my Facebook page as well, ACS Learning Hub. You can send in the message and my back end Jamie will actually take note. Okay. For English one will be Jamie, and for the 讲华语的哈，要有什么要关于这个 Vantage 的话呢，你也是可以到他们的官方网站 Vantage 马来西亚的 Facebook page， 或者是 ACS Learning Hub 的 page 呢，你们都可以 send 一个 message 过来。然后呢，我的这个讲华语的是 Paulina，OK， 那么呢，他会回复你们的问题啊。好的，那么来我们赶紧进来吧。Aussie Cat over here，Aussie Cat over here。As we have mentioned for many days and weeks. That they're actually hitting on the support. It is still on the support testing, and testing is quite tough. Am I right, guys? Okay, so over here, Aussie Cat, I will be looking out for a buy. No selling. Okay, it's going to be very dangerous because actually, as you can see, the space is very limited. Okay, so no for selling. Okay, buying is possible. All right, 不能做空，只能做多的澳加。OK， 澳加只能做多啊，不能做空。所以现在目前的话呢，这一看的话，现在这样看的话，澳加要做多的朋友可以关注，做空的没有空间了哈。All right, so let's move into Aussie franc. Aussie franc, yes, tested the support, and unfortunately, last week after testing the support, is moving upwards. Correct? So supported. So has been supported over here. So no. All right. Okay. So let's wait for another day or so to see where it's going. Alright， 澳瑞也是一样啊，这个碰到支撑了，现在没有办法做空了，所以呢，只能做多而已。OK， 做多的空间还蛮好的。Alright， so Aussie yen. Yes, are we in the bear market right now? Yes, we are still in the bear market. Okay, we are still in the bear. Forming up a new support after breaking this and now hitting on the support level. As you can see, it's a weak support over here. So probably today is a retracement day. So let's look out for what we are going to short, where to sell. Okay, let's see where's the resistance I'm looking out for. Resistance over here, looking at this one touch over here, the support to become the resistance and turn down to break the support again. And very likely this is going to be a trending market. Okay, it's going to be a trending market. So right now we are actually experiencing the resistance. So it is good to sell. Yes and no. Why? Is because it's also very near to breaking out for a retracement trading. Okay, so over here, tentatively, if you want to sell, okay, it's not that you cannot. Okay, it's not that you cannot, but because in aqua line over here is very near to the white line. Anytime if it cuts above, then forget about it. Okay, all right. So if it's turning downwards and you can find your entry point, then that's fine. Okay, you can take, but you have only about 26 pips of space, a total 26 pips of space over here. So very likely it's still very tight space, so you can have a short-term profit over here. If it breaks the support and new resistance below the support has been formed, that means the trading market is still going on the trending. So you can continue the selling after breaking the support. Okay. 好了，那么澳日的话呢，在这一段里面呢，要做空的朋友是比较有机会，因为现在在许蓝线还在白线很靠近，对不对 ？OK， 那么尽量啊，就是保持的，就是它可以往下再跌，有这个往下跌的现象和空间，有将近26个点，总共26个点，所以呢，在这一段的话，大有可能呢，你要等它先下来，然后有一个短暂的盈利的可能性是有的，但是最好的话呢。我们是等它突破了这个支撑，下面有新的压力位出现，才来做单子，那样会更好，好不好？如果它突破这个压力位置的话，水阳线割上白线的话，就算了，我们就不要看它了啊。还有20分钟的时间可以等一等啊。OK，Alright， so Aussie Kiwi, yes, Aussie Kiwi, we are still retesting on the support. So buying is possible because support has formed up. Support has already formed up and is moving towards the north. Okay, so tentatively it's going upwards. So no for selling. Okay, no for selling. All right. So tentatively, I would say probably have to wait and maybe it will work tomorrow. Yeah, that's very likely. All right. OK， 澳牛的话支撑这了，所以呢，现在目前你这一看的话，这个澳牛呢，往上升的机会是很大的。OK， 往上升的机会是很大的哈。那么呢，现在目前这样看的话呢，现在它的这个情况啊，支撑着往上升，一定要到一个压力位它才会下来嘛。不过这个压力位还蛮高的，所以上去的话还是会继续再往上升，所以呢不适合啊。现在还是要等它先下来，许然现在割下白线才可以啊。OK， 不然的话现在太高了，现在没有办法做多的很有可能。OK。Alright, so let's move again. Okay, let's move again to Aussie dollar. So we are looking at Aussie dollar over here. Aussie dollar, we are in the bear. We hit on the resistance area that we plotted for weeks ago. And now it has been going down for past few weeks. But then again, now it's going to have a pause. Okay, it's going to have a pause over here. As you can see, support level touches. So no for today. Unless it breaks the support. Okay, unless it breaks the support first. Okay, for Aussie dollar, it must break the support. Then with a new resistance, then we can sell. Alright. So tentatively, I would say that Aussie yen and Aussie dollar are very similar. Okay, you have to wait for it to break the support, then you sell. Then it will be much better. Okay. 好了，澳美的话呢，澳美现在目前这一看的话。澳美呢，在这一段里面，只好等它突破这个支撑位置，突破了支撑位置以后呢，在这一段呢，形成新的压力在支撑位置的范围，那你才做空，这样的话呢，会比较安全一些 ，OK， 而且盈利的机会会比较高 ，OK。 All right, so let's move again into English. Euro Aussie, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, yes, I think it's a good one because I think it's quite obvious that we are forming up I would say it's not very obvious, okay, but it seems like to be a head and shoulder over here. Can you see? Okay, so tentatively the resistance is still the same. It hits on the resistance and coming down right now, and there's a support level which is over here right now. Okay, but after it breaks a support, this route is kind of tough. A lot of support along the way, as you can see. One here, okay, another one here. So, well, if you ask me, Euro Aussie, will there be a chance to sell? I would say probably, okay. Chances is not very high until it breaks the support over here. Until it breaks the support over here. Once it breaks the support with a new resistance below the support level, then okay, we can start selling. That's for Euro Aussie. Alright. 好了，那么欧澳的话呢，欧澳的话呢，我们要做空呢，可能性是有的，但是先突破这个支撑位置，然后在支撑位置底下形成新的压力才做空，这样的话呢比较安全。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so EURCAD. Now let's take a look at EURCAD. EURCAD over here. Okay, after we are breaking the ranging here, and now it comes back. The ranging has formed a support, become a resistance, and now you can see the resistance has formed and now pushing down. So pushing downwards, of course, it looks like it's going to have a trending market. Am I right? But however, you always remember that we always have a support anywhere that we need to pay attention to. So this support, you have to break the support before it can continue the selling. And the selling, we have about 40 pips of space, which is very potential. All right. So tentatively, EURCAD, okay, EURCAD, if we are looking at this, we still have a chance to sell. If it breaks the support, new resistance below, formed, and start to sell. Okay, all right. So that is how it goes. OK， 那从现在我们这样看的话，这个欧加呢做空的有机会，可是必须得要突破这个压力在支撑底下出现，我们有40个点的空间 ，OK， 大约40个点的空间，这样的话呢，这个欧加是可以关注的哈，这个欧加 ，OK。All right, so that I think today euro is pretty weak, and we can actually consider selling the euro. Okay, okay. So now euro pound. Okay, euro pound. Let's take a look. Euro pound. Euro pound. Yes. After we have start selling over here until this bull zone here, now is in the midst of setting up the support. So tentatively, if you're asking, should I continue the selling of the euro pound? I will say no. Okay, I will give you a miss today to observe how it goes. Okay, because importantly, it must break the support here. We have 20 minutes before the H4 open. So over here, we are going to take note if the H4 can break the support, because the H4 support is here, where the H4 is the turning point. If it's breaking the support, that means there's a good chance for euro pound to continue the selling. Okay, so that is something that we can pay attention to. So, but again, like I say, you have to wait for it to break the support. All right, so this is important. Euro pound is very potential, but please wait for it to break the support. Okay. 好啊，那么欧镑可以关注，因为欧镑呢现在目前呢在这个支撑位置嘛，这4小时的转换的这个周期里面遇到了这个支撑，如果这个支撑呢能突破的话，新的压力在支撑底下出现的话呢，我们才开始做空，这个做空的可能性很大 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right, so next Euro Yen over here, we have one tested and being rejected. Tested and being rejected. As you can see, a long wick below, okay, such a candle usually is a sign that is actually a rejection. So normally when the rejection comes in like this, okay, I will always take note that it will highly likely go up for a buy first. So retracement is very, very possible. So unless you can have a new resistance below the support become resistance level, this level, okay, then you can continue the selling. Okay, we still have some chance, but you still have to wait. Okay, you have to wait. This is very crucial. Okay, very crucial, because by the time it hits on the support, okay, which the previous support currently become the resistance, okay, you are very near to the retracement point. Okay, very near to the retracement point. So if you want to trade euro yen to sell, you have to make sure the selling, the resistance is not breaking, okay, and it's start to sell below the SPR support become resistant. The previous support become the current resistance. Okay, so we can take note about this because we have our 60 pips to go. So tentatively, okay, still can take note. All right. So euro yen is possible. All right. So the selling part here, the selling will be here. Okay, selling will be here. As you can see, the support and breaks, come back, the selling off of trades form a resistance, and it comes back again. If it's not breaking, then you can sell. That's for euro yen. OK， 好，欧日的话呢，要做空不是不可以。现在呢，有一个之前的支撑变成压力了。你看到这里吗？这里有一个来到之前的支撑，大量的抛售。OK， 那么呢，大量的平掉它之前的单子，无形中形成了一个压力。那么呢，在回调现在在压力的范围内，如果不突破的情况下往下再滑的话呢，找进场点应该有机会，有很高的机会会有得到这个盈利哈。OK。Alright, so tentatively looking at the Euro Kiwi, we are trying to break through the bull zone. Okay, we are trying to break through the bull zone, and the support is still very near. Okay, so tentatively, I will not trade on the Euro Kiwi. We're going to give you a miss today because Euro Kiwi looks like today going to have a retracement. Then after that, we will continue the selling. Okay, so yeah, Euro Kiwi, we have to pay attention to that. Okay, let's wait for it for another retracement, or probably Roger was asking, how about Euro Kiwi? Is it possible to wait for it to break the support? Yes, you can. You can wait for it to break the support. Okay, and there's a U-turn. Okay, if it's still not breaking the resistance here, okay, the support become resistant, that means trending will start, and that will be a good chance to push. Okay, a good time to push for a selling. Yes, it's possible. It's possible. Okay. However, for Euro Kiwi, by looking at the zone here, okay, because of this zone, you are very near of breaking down. Okay, but I will want to give you a miss first. Okay, conservative. Okay, all right. Okay. 所以在这个欧牛的话呢，做空的机会有，但是呢，因为它已经是在我的牛市转换嘛，对不对？这个转换的地方，一般你们都有经常都有跟着我的直播的话，你会发现到我这个区间里面我是不做交易的，对不对？这个支撑在这里突破的话，有新的压力产生，不突破上去，再继续下的话呢，也就是说下跌趋势继续往下走，那样的话你有没有机会做空？是有的。OK， 不过呢，这个是有点 push 那个limit了哈，所以我会先放弃啊，我没有打算这么快做哈 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right, so yeah, so Euro dollar, let's take a look at Euro dollar. Euro dollar after breaking through this bull zone, continue the selling. We are still in the bear. All right, we are still in the bear zone. So bear in the bear trend, tentatively we are on the support. As you can see, the support is kind of near over here. Correct. So the support is very near. We are looking out for only about 17 pips, a very short 17 pips to go. So if you want to get a 5, okay, a 10, I think probably still very healthy. But if you're going for more, I would say probably have to wait for it to break the support level with a new resistance below the support level, then you sell. Then that will be okay. That will be okay to continue the selling. All right. Okay. So Euro dollar. Can take note, okay, we can take note, okay, so over here, right, we can continue to take a look, okay, Pound Aussie, all right, Pound Aussie over here, Pound Aussie, okay, after the retracement hitting on the support down here and move up, and finally meeting up with the resistance level, which is good, okay, so we are going to sell, am I right? Are we going to sell this? Yes, let's take a look. Okay, that's good. We are hitting on the resistance already. The turning point has surfaced. Okay, this is the turning point. Can you see the turning point, the resistance here? Okay, so that's good. Okay, so now we are looking at Pound Aussie ready to short today. We are going to sell. Same thing, we are in the middle of nowhere. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it to break the support here. now this support over here. We are on the support. So there's one way to go only. That means to break the support for pound Aussie with a new resistance below the support level, then we sell. Okay, then we have about 30 pips of space. After breaking this 30 pips of space, we can more to go. All right. So yes, pound Aussie, we can pay attention to that. All right. 啊，今天好像有很多这个货币对哈，很不错哈。OK， 好啊，这个很好很好。OK， 好的，谢谢大家。安妞哈塞哟，萨瓦迪克拉，听考了吗 ？Alright， so over here, let's take a look how Aussie 啊，棒澳要突破下面新的压力才做空，我们有30个点的空间。OK， 如果再突破，还有更多的空间。OK， 这个棒澳也可以关注了哈。OK， 这个棒澳是可以关注了。Okay, so now let's go into EURCAD. Let's take a look at EURCAD here. EURCAD, as we have mentioned earlier on last week, okay, it had gone into the bull zone. And this bull zone over here, it started to move upwards, right? So tentatively, we are in the bull. If you see any red candle over here right now, it's actually a retracement in the bull market. So if you want to sell, you are doing anti-trend. So please be careful, okay? So buyers, this is your chance for EURCAD, but definitely not for sellers today. All right, sellers, please be patient because to what I see, it will test on the support and it will continue to zoom up again. Okay, so buyers, you have a chance, not for seller. 这个棒加的话呢，做空的人呢，很快就达到支撑。那么呢，这个支撑一到的话呢，你没办法再下，因为现在是在牛市。牛市遇到支撑，它一推就推得很快，所以呢，现在目前暂时不能做空，只能做多了哈，做多空间还很好。OK， alright， so pound franc, let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc, same thing. We are in the bull right now after the retracement last week, and this week we are heading for support. So buyers, take note. Okay, buyers, take note. We are heading for north. Buying is very highly possible, but not for selling. OK， 棒瑞一看就知道啊，很明显啊，这个是做多不是做空的，所以呢，棒瑞只能做多不能做空了啊。Alright, so my favorite over here in terms of the pound yen. Okay, last Friday, I think yeah, happy. Okay, so yes, pound yen. Okay, we have a big drop. Okay, about almost 100. Correct. After it turns down over 150 pips in total. However, today you cannot just hold the mindset that it will continue the selling. Although we are in the bear market, okay, we are still in the bear market, but today the support has formed up very obvious, okay, and you can see all the lower wick over here. It shows that have been tested, but it's not breaking. So once it's tested, it's not breaking. Probably we are not going to look at this part here, and we can only look at the resistance. It's still a high up here, okay. And another range area of resistance is over here. Okay, so tentatively, let's wait for it to go into this area. Then when it start to sell, then we start to sell as well. Okay, let's flow with the market. We don't do anti-trend trading over here. Buyers, you still have some chance, about 20 over pips, a short-term profit that you can go. Okay, if not, stay away. Alright. 好了，棒日的话呢，上个星期跌了很多哈，很开心啊。不过现在开始支撑回来了。所以呢，支撑回来的话，它要遇到一个压力的范围，这个是压力的范围啊。所以等它先上去到压力的范围以后，那么呢，转换回来的时候才来做空 ，OK， 好不好？那么应该没有那么快啦，也可能是明天的事情了哈 ，OK，alright，so 下半场或明天才有这个可能的。OK，so now let's move into Pound Kiwi，alright， Pound Kiwi, we are in the bull run, retracing downwards, and now we are very near to the support level. So once it hits on the support, buyers, this is the chance where you can start buying. Okay, so sellers, stay away. Seller, please stay away. Alright. Okay, so now 这个棒牛的话呢，现在暂时这样看，它会往下跌一阵啊。往下跌一阵到这里的话呢，大约有30几个点的空间，但是一碰到的话呢，它就会回调的很快。OK， 很快啊，再加上25%的范围，所以可能其实点数有，可是钱很少。OK， 那么呢，在这一段的话，一回调的话，其实很快就会上到很高，所以呢，暂时我会避开啊。OK， 好不好 ？Alright， so pound dollar over here， pound dollar。We are still in the bear, but again we have been we tested the support once and it has actually retraced. So being rejected upwards, now we are going to retest very soon. We are going to retest the support again. So hopefully the resistance comes again. The new resistance comes somewhere here, okay, around this area, okay, this level. Then if it's starting to sell, then you have about 29 pips to 30 pips of space, okay, to sell. If not, if it can break, then we can carry on the selling about 50 pips. So pound dollar still have a chance to sell. However, we need to take a look at the resistance level. The resistance level is here. Okay, so it's somewhere here. All right, so let's wait for it to hit on the resistance and observe. If it's not breaking and it start to turn down, then we can start to sell. That is for pound dollar. Okay. 棒美的话呢，今天呢要做空的话是有可能，但是这个呢压力要先达成，在不突破情况下，它往下跌的时候呢才来做空 ，OK， 不然的话呢，它一突破它继续上的机会也是有的 ，OK， 当然是比较渺茫啦哈，比较少机会，可是还是有的哈 ，OK。Alright, so let's move again to dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD is still in the bull. Okay, still in the bull run. So dollar CAD no for us. Okay, so tentatively buyers, you can focus on dollar CAD to buy. Okay, because it's still far up. Okay, one of the resistance here is retesting the previous resistance become support. So very likely it may hit here and U-turn. Okay, so no. Okay. Buyers is your time, seller no. OK， 好了，美加的话呢，做多是有可能的，做空就比较难一点啦。因为现在这个之前的这个压力位属于现在变成今天的现在的支撑位。那么这样的话呢，现在这样看的话，它现在回来尝试突破，再尝试一次，如果突破不了，它形成支撑就要继续上了。OK 啊，所以这个要注意啊。所以现在再看一下 dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc over here, we are still moving. We are still moving north. So tentatively, no buyers. You can buy. Seller stay away. OK. 美瑞的话呢，美瑞现在目前为止啊，是在看这是做多，还是在牛市里面啊，还有一段的空间啊，空间还蛮好的，40个点才到了一个压力位。所以现在目前这一看的话，美瑞只有做多，没有做空的机会了啊。Okay, so for dollar yen is still hovering around my resistance area. My resistance area is still pushing it downwards. Okay, we still have a chance to sell. Okay, we still have a chance to sell. So tentatively, if it hits on the resistance and it's not selling, and sorry, it's not breaking. Okay, and probably we have a chance to sell. Right, we still have a chance to sell. However, we are very near to the retracement. That means when aqua cuts above white line, it may go up. Probably we're still going up. So as you can see, candle are hitting on above all the aqua lines is respecting all the support level. So tentatively, I will still stay away at the moment. Okay, I will still stay away at the moment. 美日的话，这一看的话呢，它还是它回调了上来的时候。看着它呢还在我的压力范围里面，我的熊市的这个范围里面啊，所以呢，现在目前这一看的话，什么是范围哈 ？OK, it's over here. The area is over here. OK, tentatively. OK, estimate. OK, it's still in the area here. So tentatively, as you can see, it's still around this area and it's still testing, going for a higher low. That means a higher support has been formed to try to beat the resistance area. So it's a sign of strength to buy, a sign of strength to break. So tentatively, if you want to sell, I would say it's quite dangerous. Okay, I will stay away for now for dollar yen. Okay, guys. All right. Hi, Fab, 你好。Are you Hanseyo? Okay, let me sum it up for all of you. Okay, what am I going to focus to sell today? Okay, on this Forex Trading Plan 2021, November the 22nd. Okay, I will be focusing on the Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, Euro Aussie, EURCAD, Euro pound, Euro yen. Okay, Euro dollar, Pound Aussie, okay, and pound dollar. Okay, right. Here's your pound yen. Okay, pound yen, yes, although it's still in the bear, but today going to have a retracement. I'm going to stay away. I'm going to observe how it goes before I take action. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much for thank you so much for coming back into this video daily, every day, Monday to Friday. Okay, at this hour between the GMT plus 8, 13 hours to 13:30. Okay, I'm here to help everybody as well as for myself. All right, so I hope the past 200 over days, 280 over days, we have been doing this live, have helped many of you. All right, so remember, leave a comment below if you have more feedbacks for me to improve, or you have gains more, and also can leave me a comment to motivate me as well. All right, so hereby shall wish everybody good profit today, TP from my sharing here. Okay, and also bountiful of profits. All right. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you tomorrow. Thank you.